Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to crop and rotate your Scan document on the Scan Guru application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the edit button down below, which is the second option. As you can see, the first option at the bottom of the screen is to crop your document. So only include the part of your document into this blue part that you want to crop. So tap on the done button. And as you can see, it has been cropped. So if you want to rotate it, tap on the rotate button down below. So feel free to edit it as you want. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.